Hello, everyone. Welcome to what might possibly be my first ever premiere that I ever done on the channel. This is obviously to celebrate the new year, obviously. So, by the time that you're watching this right now, from where I am, it's actually cause I live somewhere in that time zone, obviously. So this is going to be the last few hours of 2024 here on the channel, obviously. It's probably going to be the last New Year's Day related video that I might be doing for a long while. But anyways, so New Year's Eve is already upon us. So at least what are we going to do as far as the last 10 minutes, obviously? Well, I think we'll start by reflecting back on what I did this past year, obviously. Now, I've got other things running along in the background, obviously, so please bear with me because we're getting prepped up and ready, obviously. My family is prepping up for the new year, obviously, for the celebration. But, anyways, yeah, looking back at what I done this past year, as soon as I get this thing up, obviously. Now, obviously, since this is a premiere, obviously the live chats are available, but I cannot respond to any of them because this is different to a live stream. Obviously, a live stream pretty much is a YouTube video done live. A premiere is pretty much like it's like a YouTube video sent out as a live stream, obviously. So, if that's the best way that I can put it, obviously. Yeah, so let's take a look back at what I did this past year, obviously. So, I started off, well, first of all, the history of this channel. I've already mentioned it plenty of times before, but I created this channel back in May, I believe in May 11, 2020, and I only created just to like, sorry about that. That's just my Windows. That's just my Windows XP computer just starting up, obviously, because I do need to take out some of the files. Well, at least some of the files that I had stored on this thing for uploading another video on, obviously, on the channel. But anyways, yeah, but going back to the history of my channel, which I might have already explained a couple times already, but I created a channel in May 11, 2020, and I've only used it just for watching YouTube videos on a platform and also commenting on several videos. I didn't actually get comfortable at making videos until one day in May of 2023, which was last year at the time of recording, obviously. That's when I began to thought of myself, maybe I should probably make a video, obviously. You know, just to kind of see what it's like to upload a YouTube video and see what kind of comments and responses and what views will I get on them, obviously. And so, one day in May 19th, 2023, I did exactly that. I think I was kind of inspired. In making a YouTube video because because at that moment I was still doing some social media stuff on like Twitter, which is now X and stuff. But I was doing some social media stuff on Twitter. Like I made a couple of, tweets, posts, whatnot on that platform, and the one video, the one thing that got me into making that inspired me to make a YouTube video. Well, because I was doing that one thing. I'll get some of the things out, obviously, for you. I was doing that one video about the different about I was doing that one video about the well, just doing a quote post, a quote cheat about Mario Kart DS when you start up the game, it'll either say here we go or Yahoo. So I did it on both of these systems, obviously. So I'm getting off track here, but anyways, I did this, and whoa, 5 minutes. Well, I gotta get this quick. But I did testings on this thing, and to my surprise, this one did the Yahoo and this one did the here we go. So that's probably one thing. And after that kind of inspired me to make the first video on the channel, I believe. But sometimes things just maybe come out of thin air, obviously. But we're already on 5 minutes in. But yeah. So, what was the first video that I done this year? Well, I did none other than doing an overview of my AMD compact and Intel compacts at the beginning of this year. Then I checked out the public instances of YT 2009, which I've done a video on that in November 2023. Now those public instances are no longer there, but yeah. I even did an overview of my Nintendo Switch console that I got back in 2019. And I did a couple of power outages videos, obviously. I also did a video of underclocking my Intel Compact's CPU as an experiment. And I did a video about the two ADB Apple Desktop Bus mouses that I recently acquired after moving rooms at the beginning of the year. I even did a little April Fool's video about me actually quote unquote quitting YouTube, and yeah, there's obviously that. And also in 2024, April 2024, the camera that I've been using for the past few years, so it's this camera right here, it broke, obviously. It stopped working one day. And that's kind of unfortunate, and that's why I've been having to use, sorry, that's my 10 o'clock alarm, but that's why I've been having to use an iPhone like this one to record. There was also the solar eclipse that happened that year, and I didn't went out to see it, but I did a little virtual solar eclipse thingery, obviously. And also this was the year that Nintendo 3DS online services finally shut down. So I could show you a little. I can show you a little bit of that. Obviously, by starting up this thing up with Mario Kart 7, I only got like 3 minutes left. So I'm gonna show it to you by going into Mario Kart 7, because obviously that's the turning test point for Nintendo 3DS online services. So online multiplayer, and I'll take a look. The service has been discontinued. Thank you for using the service. Yada yada yada. So yeah, online services has unfortunately been discontinued for 3DS systems this year. So that's kind of unfortunate. But we do have projects like Pretendo and stuff, which I may get into probably next year. But anyways, well, 11:58. We're almost down to the final countdown here. So last things I did. Well, I did quick restoring, and I did upgrade my AMD Compact graphics card, 4th of July stuff, and reinstalling all the OSs that I had on this computer before, obviously. But yeah, anyways, we're down to the last few minutes, obviously, and I also reached my 100 videos, and I did 100 video specials, obviously, and then I did a Christmas special, which was this month. Anyways, last minutes. Get ready for the big one here. And to end off this year, I like to say thank you all so much for watching all my content that I posted on here this past year. Like I said, this was the first full year that I started posting YouTube videos, obviously. So, if you're ready, I'm gonna bask in with my with my little can of pop here, obviously. Not sponsored anyway, but anyways. Yep. Let's bask into the last few minutes. Are you ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Snap, snap, snap. Happy New Year, everyone. We're already into January 1st, 2025, everyone. Now I don't have a celebrationary song, so I'm just gonna have to play Canyon.mid using this computer's sound card, obviously. And this sound card has interesting MIDI sound fonts, obviously. Let's play it. Doesn't that sound nice? It sounds pretty interesting to me, at least. But anyways, Happy New Year, everyone. So welcome one and all to 2025, everyone. By the time you're watching this video, it should already be 2025 by then. But anyways, yeah. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching this little premiere video that I've done here on this channel. And yeah, let's see what the future holds for 2025 here on this channel. Anyways, that about wraps up for me here. So thank you all guys for sticking with me so far, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.